Good morning, all. Welcome to the pre-market report of May 26. I am Binu from Acumen Capital. Today, most of the Asian markets are trading in green, but Hang Seng is trading down around 1%. Singapore Nifty right now is trading with a 60-point gain, but Dow Jones Futures early in the morning was up, but right now it is trading down by 30 points. Yesterday, from US market, the most important event was the release of US Fed meeting minutes. So the minutes shows a strong chance of two more 0.5% rate hike in coming months. So the Fed members saw the need to raise rates quickly in order to fight with the inflation. After these minutes, US market moved up only. There are 2-3 factors. One is that nothing new is there in the minutes. Everything known to the market. But market didn't want to hear more hawkish talk from the US Fed. So nothing hawkish was there. So that is why market moved up. The second reason is that there is a relief that a broad consensus is there for a 0.5% hike in coming months. And there is a chance that after that, by the year end, there may be a pause for rate hike. So again, market took it as a positive thing. Then investors are happy that the Fed members felt US economy was very strong. So that also led to a rally. So yesterday Dow Jones moved up by 0.6%, S&P up by 0.95%, and Nasdaq up by 1.5%. The technology stocks rallied, then energy stocks, consumer discretionary. So these set of stocks rallied yesterday in US market. Now the result season is going to an end in US. The first quarter results, and mostly it was along with the market estimates. But there were some incidents where market punished some of the companies, especially in technology sector, retail sector. Other than that, the result season is almost okay. Looking into the other factors, the dollar index is steady now at 102.05 level. Yesterday, oil prices moved up. So the Brent crude is right now trading around $114.5 per barrel. But another important change, say the natural gas prices moved up. So above $9. It is important because in this month, May itself, in US, the natural gas prices moved up by 30%. And for this year, natural gas up by 150%. So this is going to be important in coming Fed meetings. So the highest prices for natural gas in the last 10 years. Now, for our market, once again, stock specific news is there. Today, a lot of mid-cap companies are announcing the results like Hindalco, Mothers and Sumi, Oberoi Realty, Z Entertainment, Berger Paints, Colgate. So a lot of mid-cap companies are announcing results today. And yesterday, after market, there were a couple of important results announcement. Out of this, 2-3 companies results are good. One is Coal India, then Bata, Torrent Pharma. So Bata's margin was above market estimate. Market estimate was 20.5% margin, but Bata came out with a 24.3% margin for this quarter, and their net profit almost doubled to 62.9 crore. So Bata is a stock to watch. Torrent Pharma, on the first thing is that there is a net loss, but it is because of a one-time loss, so it's not a problem. Company announced 1:1 bonus, and company also said that a positive outlook about the future earnings. So Torrent Pharma is also okay. Coal India, uh, in almost all factors, Coal India came out with strong results. Then on the negative side, we have BPCL. It's below estimated results. Margin came at 3.9% compared to 4.2% last quarter. But their GRMs was below estimate. Market estimate of GRM was $19 per barrel, but actually GRMs came at $15.3 per barrel. So BPCL, some kind of disappointment there. Indigo results were mixed. Say revenue, strong revenue is there, but operationally it's a weak quarter for Indigo. Their net loss is at 1,682 crore. So in last 8 quarters, Indigo reported losses in 7 quarters. So still problems there for that segment, and their operating margin also contracted sharply from 8.8% to zero point 0.4 last year to 0.47% this quarter. So that is Indigo. Then Apollo Hospital, the net profit is up 33% and revenue up 10%, but the net profit sequentially fell 12%. So, and on the other side, Rights Limited, so they also came out with some kind of a disappointment result. Revenues up 21%, but their margins fell. So that is Rights Limited. So stock reactions will be there today. On coming to other stocks, Bharati Airtel, there is a report that Singapore Telecommunications has initiated talks with the Bharati Airtel family, chairman's family, Sunil Mittal, to sell a part of their stakes to Mittal family. So remember, Singapore Telecommunication has been a strategic investor in Bharati Airtel, and they are holding more than 30% stake. So Singapore Telecom results there on tomorrow. So expect some kind of announcement from that result. Then Avanti Feed, there is a positive report about US FDA has terminated the recall of cooked shrimp product from Avanti Feeds. Their order they have terminated. So it's slightly positive for that company. So other than that, a lot of result reaction will be there today. So coming to Nifty level, we can see that last 15 trading days, Nifty is consolidating here, say between 16,400 on the upside and 15,800 on the downside. Nothing much happening in the market right now. So this trend may continue for some more days. Market is really waiting for some big positive news to move out of this range. So anyway, we all know that market is oversold in the oversold region right now. For today, say there may be a gap up opening. After that, 16,180 may act as the first resistance, and on top of that, 16,260 level, there is a strong resistance. Remember, today is monthly F&O expiry day, so expect more volatility in the afternoon. So if market moves above 16 to 60 level, then the higher resistance is at 16,327. But on the downside, 16,012 can be an important level, because in the past, this is an hourly chart. In the past, whenever an hourly candle closes below 16,012 kind of level, more corrections followed after that. You can see 3 such occasions in this month itself. So for today, 16,012 may be the critical support level on the downside. So if market falls below this level, the next support comes at a minus support comes at 15,955, and below this, the first major support is at 15,886, and lower to this, a sentimentally important support at 15,807. This is an educational video. Thank you for watching.